Hello guys, welcome to another video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. In this video we are following the trend in which we have found a very good selling opportunity in Euro versus US dollar. Here we can generate good profit as we do in almost all trades. Guys, I am applying for trade. We are getting the opportunity to take trade at a very good place. See you guys a little later. We have $3,780 in our account, which has to grow. Here we will continue to trade with proper technical analysis. Here we are making very good profits.
A few moments later.
Guys, we are not making very good profits. We are incurring losses. Let's see how much we can grow this account today. From our side, we will try our best to take the trade to the target level. For that we have to do complete analysis in the right direction. First of all, we will create trend channel. The market is currently following this trend line where we will get perfect lower high points. We will connect these points well with the trend line. This trend line is most important for us. We will connect the second trend line at the lower low points with the same angle. This trend line is working as support. In the future, whenever the market comes near this trend line, we will see the market reverse. Right now the market is moving inside this trend channel. We have to look for selling trades here because we will see a big move downwards where we can generate good profit. We are getting to see the perfect lower low lower high pattern. Now we will draw strong support resistance levels in which we will easily see all the strong reversal points. At this level the market has created multiple support and resistance points, due to which the market has reversed here again and again. Here you can see that the market first took support and later broke this level and made it resistance, due to which support become resistance pattern has been created here, which is a strong pattern of downtrend. Guys, here we will draw another strong support resistance level because the market stops at a strong level after a big move because there is a strong reversal level. Here I am taking another rectangle tool. At this level the market has created multiple support resistance points. Whenever the market has come near this level, always opposite candle is created, which creates this strong level. Here you can see that the market has respected this level very well. Here we have seen the market reversing at every point. Going forward, it is expected that the market will definitely react at this level until there is a breakout of the upper trend line. High probability chance the market will go down from here because the market is following this level from very good trends. Guys, the market has come up a bit to retest it. Here we do and apply the trade. We have got entry at the right place. Now we have to set stop loss and target point so that we can exit the market at the right place. Here my stop loss will be 25 pips above the strong support resistance level and inside the trend channel. If the market goes up again to meet the resistance of the trend line, our setup will fail, and the target point will be 50 pips below. Here the market is in a strong uptrend, due to which there are more chances of hitting our target because we can see good movement only on the downside. Guys, our current loss is around $1,000. Let's see when this loss gets converted into profit. We have done our analysis correctly. Guys, no matter where the market goes, we have to follow our rules properly because whenever we break our rules, we will always close the trade and loss. Our strong rule here is that we will not close the trade until the market hits either the stop loss or the target. No matter what, rules are always your true friend in trading. Now we have to remain patient in trading. We will see a lot of up and down moves in the market. If you like the video, then please like it. Till then, enjoy the video.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and past. I back up my actions, fact, don't ask, grab reactions, jacked, attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose, pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being used.
Guys, the market has moved very well. As soon as we applied for the trade, within a few minutes the market started falling. Here our analysis is correct that we got a very good move. We did not expect that our profit target would be hit so soon. The market has respected our setup. Our profit target was at this level, which has been hit a long time ago. The market is moving 15 pips below the target point and is still going down. Here our target was hit very well. Now let me do some further analysis and tell you. so that you can get an idea as to how the market is forming the pattern, so that you can also do good analysis like this. Here I am taking rectangle tool to draw the level. At this level the market first creates support points, then by breaking this level it is creating resistance points, which is where support become resistance pattern is created. We saw such patterns in the first strong level, which is a very good pattern of downtrend. From this we can get good signals of downside, which will be high probability signals. Let's close the trade now. Our target has been completed. Guys, our profit here is above $12,000. We have deposited $3,780 in the account, which has grown to $16,000. This is a very big number for the account. We did a good technical analysis here, which was rewarded very well by the market. If you like this video, then please like it. If you are new to the channel, then do not forget to subscribe. You will keep getting to see such videos. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
Like this.